So here we are going to look at the basic, which involves determining the settings for our Microsoft project, right? And then we are going to look at adding tasks or activities for our project, followed by adding the dependency between tasks and also among tasks, and then followed by part 4. It will involve adding tasks to our timeline, showing our critical tasks, and show our network diagram and Gantt chart. This will be the initial 6 parts that we are going to look at. And I have to emphasize that the part 4, 5, and 6, they are all dependent on the completeness of the details that we do in part 2 and part 3. Okay, so let us start. Let's start by talking about the basic first, which involve the setting up or choosing the right setting for our project. So when you first click on the project icon on your desktop, right, you will be prompted, or you will be shown interface like this. Okay, this is what you see when you open up your Microsoft project. It will show you a list of templates that you can choose to start with. All right. And here you can see the one that I've highlighted. It will be earned value management template, market research schedule template, and then project management plan template. And this is also another project management plan template, but this is PMI compliant. All right. But actually, later on, when you see the content inside these 2 templates, they are more or less the same. All right. And what exactly will be the layout of our earned value management template? Let us see. Have a look. When you open up the earned value management template, all right, you will see that the layout of this plan will be something like this. I think we have learned a bit about earned value management, right? Whereby you will consider various indexes such as cost variance, schedule variance, cost variance index, schedule performance index, cost performance index, right? And then if you open up the market research schedule template, you will see something like this. And how about the project management plan template? When you click on that template, you will see something like this, right? Of course, you can click on a template and you click on create. Then you will be the system will help you to create, okay, a project with this template. All right, with this content based on the original template content. All right, basically, what you can see here is that in this template, all the project activities or tasks, okay, has been organized based on our project management 5 process groups. So we have 5 process groups, right, in our project management. The first one will be the initiating process group, and then we have the planning process group. We also have the executing process group, monitoring and controlling process group, and followed by the 5th process group. The 5th process group, which is called closing process group. And then here will be another version of project management plan, which is PMI compliant. And actually the content is still more or less the same as the one that we have seen just now, the project management plan, which in which the project activities or tasks has been categorized into 5 process groups, right? Yeah. And if you have time, okay, please have fun, browse through all these templates and see, okay, which templates is more suitable for you. Then now we're going to look at how we are going to set the settings for our project. All right, the settings for our project or for your project. So in order to set the setting for your project, you can click on the menu, the file menu on this menu bar. Okay, click on it, the file, click on the file menu, and then you will have this drop-down menu list. Click on the option, and then you will see this window, project options, right? Here, what we can do here is to determine our date format, right? For example, here we set our date format to be Wednesday, and then this will be year, 09 is year, and then slash month, day, right? And actually you can click on the drop down list to select any format that you like. And then in this window, you can also select, okay, your project view. All right, you can select by, you can choose the default view to be Gantt chart with timeline. All right, something like this. And then you can also set your username, because you are the one who do the setting or manage this project details. So you need to have your own credential details here, right? So here, all right, you personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Okay, you can put in your username, whatever you like, right? And then here you are going to set your currency options, right? You can set your currency option to be in USD dollar, or could to be NTD dollar. And then you want to show the dollar sign and the decimal digit, up to you, right? And then you can also set the setting for your auto correct options. Okay, at least you can browse through if it's match your requirement or not. And then we can also do other setting, including our save option, our file format, right? You can save your file in this format. You just make your own selection, right? You can select the default project, all right? And then you can select your language, all right? The language to be used in this software or in this app. Yeah, for me, I choose the English, right? Yeah, display language, the editing language, and so on. And then here is a bit complicated. Here, what I say is that you need to select, okay, the right calendar working hour. Okay. What I mean by right, it means that you must know if you have selected the right working calendar. Okay. And in order to make sure that you have selected the right calendar working hour, all right, what you should do is that you go to your Microsoft Project app. Okay, you have the menu bar, right? You can see a menu bar. You click on the menu name project. When you click on the project menu, you have a drop down menu bar, and then here you choose the change working time. If this is the first time you are working with this Microsoft project, you may need to create a new calendar. For example, in my case, I say create. I click on here. I name my calendar name to be Celeste working calendar. All right, and then I want to make a copy of a calendar based on the standard template. Standard template is actually referring to the working hour, the normal working hour, okay, and the normal working days. Our standard working days will be from Monday to Friday, right? And our standard working time will be morning 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then lunch for 1 hour, followed by 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Working hour. But if you if you want to make some changes, of course you can make your own changes based. Just click on different radio button here. All right. So I go back to here. So for me, I choose make a copy of the standard calendar, right? But you have the option. If you click on the drop down list here, you will see that beside the standard calendar, you can also choose 24 hours calendar or night shift calendar, up to you. But assume we are working normally, okay, based on standard hour, we just select the standard. Okay, after this, you just click OK. And then after you click OK, you will see something like this, right? Here you will do more personalized setting, right? And you click on the work weeks. By right, when you click on the work weeks, you have the default setting for you. In order to see what is inside, you click on the details button here. Click, then you will see the details here showing you, okay, what exactly we get in our standard calendar. Because I want to personalize it, so instead of using the first radio button, I select this set days to this specific working time. So I changed the second part of the working hour from 1 to 6 instead of 5 p.m., right? After that, you click OK. There will be a radio. There will be a button here underneath here. That button will be option. So you click on the option button, you will see this pop-up window. And this pop-up window will show you more details. All right. For example, details about confirming with you. Each week will start on Sunday or Monday. Is up to you. Set your own setting. And then our fiscal year to be January, and our default start start working time to be 8 a.m. and then our finish working time will be 6 p.m. and whatsoever. Right? Just confirm the information is correct. After that, you just click OK. Okay. And then we look at this one, exceptional. Exceptional, exceptional means that you work during the holidays. That's called exceptional, right? So you can set it. You are still working on, for example, on the Independence Day, on the Christmas Day, or New Year Day. All right. So you click on the exceptional. You type in what is your exceptional day name. Click on it. Type in the name of the day, and then you select the date. All right. For example, let us talk about this Christmas, December 31st. Assume that I type in this exceptional day to be Christmas Day, and then I say, I select the date, 31st of December. And then I click on here. I click on here and then I click on details. Then we can see a pop-up window, something like this. And here you can further provide more details, right? For example, working day from when to when, right? And then here is another interesting part is that you can set the recurrence pattern, right? You want this exceptional working day, right, to recurrent, okay, every year, right? So you make this recurrence pattern on this date yearly. All right. And then here you can specify the range of occurrence. How many occurrences you want it to happen? Okay. Happen for 5 times or what? It's up to you. All right. If your project is going to run for a period of 5 years, then make the occurrence to be 5. Right. And this is basically the basic settings you have to set up for your project before you start. Okay.